What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another cartridge review. My name is Ron, and today we're going to be looking at some more Stigma cartridges, specifically the Aquamarine Nights. But from now on, we're going to refer to them as just the Aquas because Aquamarine Night is a mouthful. So this is the 50-piece value pack. I got these on Amazon for around $30. I got here within 2 days, so they got here pretty quick. So specifically, this is the round liner, round shader box. You can get different options. You can get all round liners, all round mags, focus, all round shaders. I got this specific combination just because I have so many 11 round shaders that I don't know what to do with them all. So it's a mix-up box. It's got some 3 round and some 5 round liners and some 3 round shaders. 7 round shaders, or excuse me, 3 round shader, 5 round shader, 9 round shader, the 3 round liner, and 5 round liner. So 10 of each, 5 times 10, 50, we all know that. So these are the number 10, the bug pins. Sorry guys, hold still. These are the bug pins. So we're just gonna open them all up, take a look at them, run it through the machine, run it through the tests, you know, the usual. So, start with the shaders, biggest to smallest. Now I did have a chance to tattoo with these. Pack some black with this number 9 here. And it worked well. It worked like a shader should. They have pretty decent tension. Not a whole lot of wibble wobble going on here. Not a whole lot of wibble wobble going on here, which is good, especially for a bug pin cartridges. I've come to learn that a lot of the bug pin cartridges have a lot of wobble in them, but this one's still good. They pack well. Pack some black, pack some hot pink. Worked well. We do have a stabilization piece here, right here. You got pretty decent tension. You are a full membrane. They're nice and dished out right here. Everything you need. Nice little tapered off end here, which I like. They don't spit or sputter. They hold a decent amount. So I was pretty happy with the shaders. 9 seems pretty legit. The 5s are pretty legit as well. Not a whole lot of wiggle there either, which is good. So I've been meaning to check these out for a while, so I'm glad I got to check them out because I ran out of round shaders, and I use round shaders in pretty much everything I do just because they just help, you know, make my routine a little bit simpler. So this is the 10 3 round shader, I believe. Let's double check it. Yeah, 3 round shader. Not a whole lot of excuse me, not a whole lot of wiggle there, pretty much none. Just good. They work well, they saturate, like I said, they don't spit or sputter. There is one thing though that we're gonna look at. This is the 10-5 round liner. Little to no play. .03. Now I did notice this one, and this I was kind of expecting it, but this one does have quite a bit of wiggle, especially when you get it right about here. It's like dancing. You can do a full circle in there. but you know, they do work well. They put in ink where you need it to, and they work well for me. They look nice, they run well. Full membrane, like I said, they got nice, decent tension, good rebound, nice and snappy, which is what we like to see. So let's run it through the old Ava, which is my go-to machine for everything these days. Works well. I love this thing. Let's jump down to 7 here. Nice and precise. Not making a whole lot of noise. Putting in work. Hanging out the bottom like we want to see. Hangs out the bottom of the cartridge, which is good. Good and sharp. What was that one? That was our 10-3. So I'm trying to kind of just speed these videos up because I don't mean to make them 15 minutes long. It just so happens that they just turn out to be 15 minutes long because I get to talking and explaining. I'm trying to be thorough, so. But there's no reason why I can't say what I need to say in under 7 minutes, so. Speaking of 7 minutes, we are cutting it short. This is the 10-5 round shader. They work well. So for a value pack, I say these are well worth the value. For around 30 bucks, you get 50 of them. You get a lot of options, round liners, round mags. The mags work well. Liners seem like they're going to work well. I will keep you updated. I'll be using them more. And the round shaders do work great. They work just as well as the black cartridges that Stigma makes, which is I'm a big fan of those. So we have our dot, expiration date, everything you want to see, it's here. So good stuff, not too shabby. I'm pretty impressed with these. So I'll be taping these up, throwing them in the practice bucket, cartridges that I use for practice only. And yeah, my name is Ron. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the new subscribers. I got some more videos planned up. I'm going to be taking more time with these, putting some music on them, some just, you know, some stuff just to make it a little bit nicer. Anyways, as always, if you guys have any questions, concerns, or comments, just go ahead and do what you have to do. Leave them down there, and yeah, thank you for watching.